In this video, you will learn how to format your SD card on your Fujifilm camera. This is on the Fujifilm Xt2. All you have to do is turn your camera on. Make sure that your SD card or your memory card obviously is inserted into the Fujifilm camera. Hold down the trash can and hold down the dial. Trash can, and now click on the dial. It lets you choose what slot. Obviously, I have my card is inside of slot 1, so I'm going to hit OK. Format card in slot 1, hit OK. I click up. Now hit menu or OK. And now my card is formatted, so it's a free card, and I can add any upgrades or updates onto the card. So I can upgrade the body, update the body firmware or the lens firmware, or now you can just shoot freely. Now you can shoot whatever you want. Now you have a free SD card ready for your bidding while you're shooting. Thank you so much for watching.